We're on the switchback. We got some soldiers over there.
First people ever. Summit.
Oh yeah, strength.
Agility. They said we couldn't do it. We haven't done it yet, but I think we're gonna.
Greg?
Nope.
He's holding up the rear, making sure we're clear of insurgents. But you can you can start to see what we're about to see in probably about 30 minutes. So
What we're about to experience.
true that. It's all about experience. Experience 2012.
It's about to get real awkward and embraced.
It's surprising how 3D it is up there.
Dude,
Like,
the smell-o-vision up here is so real. We're embracing every sense. Technology's amazing now.
nearly every tree is covered in scratch and sniff bar.
There he is. What's up?
Nada.
Dude, I think Camelback can use a lesson or two in ergonomics from your
Adidas.
example.
Nice.
Civil War.
Love it.
Hey man, better a bag than a mule on your back.
That's true.
That's some epic camping wisdom.
It's like the worst way to carry a mule.